Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi Arabic learners. Welcome to another video of our Learn Arabic. Inshallah, in today's video, we are going to be diving into another topic that Arabic conversation for the beginners, for the learners who are just starting now. So do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and make a comment. Now, today we are going to be talking about what some conversation using la'iba, that's la'iba, to make conversation. No, la'iba, that is the past tense. La'iba, that is la'iba. It means what? Play. That is la'iba, you play. You played. That is what? You played. That is the past subject. That's the past verb. That is fi'l madi. Now the question is, Al tana'am kulla yawm. Al tana'am kulla yawm. You're asking someone. Al tana'am kulla yawm. That is, Al tana'am kulla yawm. Do you used to play every day? Al tana'am kulla yawm. Do you used to play every day? That's Al tana'am. Al tana'am kulla yawm. That is what Hal tan'am kulla yawm. That is, did you used to play every day? Hal tan'am kulla yawm. Do you used to play every day? Al tan'am kulla yawm. Do you used to play every day? Let's write it here. Do you used to? That's Hal tan'am kulla yawm. Do you used to play every day? Now, the response is what? Nam al'am kulla yawm. Or you say Nam alhab kullayam. Let's use that word. Nam, that is what? Nam, it means yes. Nam al'ab, that is al'ab. Al'ab, al'ab kullayawm. Kullayawm. That is what? Al'ab kullayawm. That is Nam. I used to play. Nam, it means what? Yes. I used to play. That is, I used to play every day. Yes, I used to play every day. That's Nam. That's the Arabic of what? Yes, Nam. I used to play every day. Now the next question is asking that, okay, ماذا تحب أن تلعب? That is for what? That is using la'iba, which is the past tense. Then use transforming from past tense to what? To the present continuous tense. That's the future tense. That is the present and the present verbs. So asking question that, okay, هل تحب ماذا تحب ماذا تحب تلعب كل يوم ماذا تحب ماذا تحب ماذا تحب كل يوم. That is كل يوم. ماذا تحب كل يوم. ماذا تحب. That is ماذا تحب كل يوم. What did you used to play every day? What do you used to play every day? That is what do you used to play every day? What do you used to play every day? ماذا تحب كل يوم. ماذا تحب تلعب كل يوم. Sorry, ماذا تحب تلعب ماذا تحب تلعب كل يوم. That is, what do you used to play every day? ماذا تحب تلعب كل يوم. What do you used to play every day? Now you say ألعب كل يوم. ألعب كل يوم. ألعب كل يوم. That is, I used to play every day with what? بالقوة القدام. Yes, let's use that word. القوة القدام. ألعب كل يوم. That is, ألعب كل يوم بالقوة القدام. That is, ألعب كل يوم. That is ألعب كل يوم بالكرة. بالكرة القدام. القدام. That is القدوم. That is القدوم. ألعب كل يوم. كل يوم بالكرة بالكرة قدم. That is what كرة قدم. بالكرة قدم. That is قدم. That's what قدم. ألعب كل يوم بالكرة قدم. That is I used to play football. That is كرة القدم. It means what? Football. And كرة القدم. It means football. That is I used to play football every day. That is I used to play football every day. ألعب كل يوم بالكرة القدم. ألعب كل يوم بالكرة القدم. That is I used to what? I used to play football every day. Now the next is what? كيف تذهب إلى that is the next question is رائع أين تلعب. That's أين تلعب. That is asking question. أين تلعب. أين تلعب. That is أين تلعب. That is where did you used to play. That is where did you used to what? To play. أين تلعب. أين تلعب. Where did you used to play. That is ألعب في مدرستي. That is ألعب في مدرستي. That is what I used to play in what? In my school. That is school. It means school means what? Madrasa. That is ألعب في مدرستي. I used to play at what? I used to play in my school. Now another question is كيف تذهب إلى هناك. That is كيف تذهب إلى هناك. كيف تذهب إلى هناك. That is كيف تذهب إلى هناك. كيف تذهب إلى هناك. That is how did you used to go. That is كيف تذهب. How. That is كيف. How. كيف تذهب. كيف تذهب. That is how do you. كيف تذهب إلى هناك. How do you used to go there. That is talking about what is talking about madrasa. That is school, which is madrasa. How do you used to go there. How do you used to go there. That is how do you used to go there. How do you used to go there. That is كيف تذهب إلى هناك. That is what كيف. That is كيف تذهب إلى هناك. Now the reply is what? Now أذهب إلى هناك بالسيارة. That is I used to go by what? By car. أذهب. That is what? أذهب إلى هناك. إلى هناك. إلى هناك بسيارتي. I used to go there by what? I used to go there. By what? By car. That is السيارة. That's the Arabic word. That's the Arabic of car. That is adhab ila hunnaka bi sayarati. This hunnaka that is representing madrasa. That is representing madrasa. Adhab ila hunnaka bi sayarati. That I used to go there by what? By car. So this is where we are going to stop for today's class. See me in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum.